Good morning children, Sairam. Welcome back in our today's session. I hope children you all are enjoying and studying too. Okay children, now look at the picture which I am going to show you. Can you all tell me what you can see on the screen children? Yes, now here we can see a picture of a football. Yes, very good. Okay children, if you see the football is light or heavy, this object is heavy. And here we can see a balloon. If we compare a football and a balloon, we can find children, as compared to football, a balloon is lighter, it is light. Okay, so football is heavy and a balloon is light. So children, look at the screen. Do you all know that different objects have different weights? Okay, all the objects have different weight. So children, few objects are heavy and few objects are light. Here you can see here again two pictures of balls. The picture of a football which is to your left hand side is heavy, and a picture of a basketball which is to your right hand side is light in weight. Now look at here children. Yes, what are the things we can see? Yes, a tree, a cat and a boy. Can you all tell me which one is near to the tree? What is near to the tree we can see? Yes, here in this picture, a cat we can see near the tree, and a boy is far from the tree. So children, our today's topic is heavy and light and far and near. Today we are going to learn this concept in detail. So all are going to pay attention. Now children, here we can see which fruits? Yes, watermelon and strawberry. Can you all tell me which one is heavy in weight? Yes, watermelon is heavier and strawberry is light. It is lighter. See the another picture. Here we can see and watermelon. And as we all know, watermelon is heavier than mango and mango is lighter than a watermelon. Okay children, just look at the picture. This is a weight machine. Okay, if you do the weight of a watermelon, it is heavy than an apple. Now here children see, we can see many books. A weight of one book is lighter than many books. So a book which is to your left hand side is light and the other side books are heavy. Come on, here you can get an idea children. See, your right hand side we can see there are many books, so it is more heavier. Here again we can see a balloon and a brick. As compared to brick, a balloon is lighter and a brick is heavier than a balloon. See here we can see cotton and a brick. Cotton is lighter and a brick is heavier. Now see another picture. Here we can see two ships. Okay, two boats. Yes, one is heavier and the other one is lighter. Can you all tell me which one is heavy? Yes, very good. This one is heavier and the other one is light. Now here we can see computer. Okay, computer has a PCU, yes, keyboard and printer, so it is heavy. And if you see a laptop, it is, as compared to computer, it is light. Now children, look at the another picture. Here we can see a bus and a car. Yes, a bus is heavy, it is heavier, and a car is lighter, it is light. Here we can see a bicycle and a ship. Ship is always very heavier, and a bicycle, as compared to a ship, it is lighter. Okay, again we can see two objects. Yes, an aeroplane and a hot air balloon. Okay, so if we compare these two objects, the aeroplane is heavier and hot air balloon is lighter. Now see here, we can see, yes, the first object is heavy and the other one is light. Here again we can see two balls. Yes, one ball is heavier and the other basketball is lighter. Now look at the another picture. Here we can see a tree, coconut tree, and what we can see near the tree? Yes, a cat is near the tree, so it is near. And you can see a bird is far from the tree. Now here you can see a house, boy and a football. So which object is far? Yes, a ball is far from the house. Okay. Now here look, here we can see net and a ball. Ball is near the net. Okay, it is near. And the other ball is far from the net. Here we can see a butterfly and an aeroplane. And a butterfly is near the flowers and an aeroplane is far. Okay, so here you will understand children, near and far. I hope children you all must have understood the concept of near, far and heavy and light. And in today's session also we are going to learn numbers from 301 to 350. Okay children, so you all will look at the screen and pay attention. You all can repeat the numbers after me. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350. My dear children, you all are going to write these numbers in your notebook. Now we will learn number names from 301 to 310. 301. THREEHUNDRED and ONE. 301. 302. THREEHUNDRED and TWO. 302. 303. THREEHUNDRED and THREE. 303. 304. THREEHUNDRED and FOUR. 304. 305. THREEHUNDRED and FIVE. 305. 306. THREEHUNDRED and SIX. 306. 307. THREEHUNDRED and SEVEN. 307. 308. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHT. 308. 309. THREEHUNDRED and NINE. 309. 310. THREEHUNDRED and TEN. 310. I hope children you all must have enjoyed today's session, and you all are going to write numbers from 301 to 350 in your notebook, and also you are going to write number names from 301 to 310 in your notebook. In the next period of maths, I am going to check your notebook. Okay children? So keep on studying children. So thank you so much, and see you soon in the next period of maths. Okay children?